Hello student, I Dr. R.D. Patil, Head Department of Zoology, Vasantronic Arts, Science and Commerce College, Shada, District Nandurbar. Dear friends, we already discuss or give the lectures of the TYBSc Zoology paper 6, Zoo 506A, Pest Management. In this theory course, we already discussed about your unit number first. In unit number first, we get by the 6 to 7 lectures. Today we start the unit number 2. Its name is the insect vectors. In unit number 2, we already discussed the 2 lectures. Today your lectures uh, we related to these topics of unit number 2 is the insect vector. In insect vectors, we already discussed about in first lectures what is mean insect vectors, give the different types of the insect vectors which are also spreading to give the causes the disease for the human beings. Out of these insect vectors in your syllabus included we detailed study for the 3 insect vectors, that is the first is the mosquito, second is the housefly, third is the cockroach. So out of these 3 first insect vectors already discussed in mosquito. Mosquitoes give the habitat distribution to overall world as well as in India. In spite we discuss the different species of the mosquito. Out of these species, there are the 4. Out of these 4, we have mainly serious spreading disease of the 3 species of the mosquitoes, that is the Anopheles, Culex and Aedes. Out of these 3, we already discussed about the Anopheles mosquito, its external morphology classification. It was spreading the different kinds of the disease as well as prevention and control measures of the disease. Today, the second species of the mosquito, that is Culex. First, we know about the start to the second species of the mosquito, that is the Culex. We already discussed in the first lectures that is transmission of insect-borne disease. Transmission of the insect-borne disease, insect is mainly included the phylum Arthropoda. Its transmission to related as we discuss about the your first lectures, direct contact, also as a mechanical, biological, indirect contact, also as from the man to man, also scabies, spedaculosis is a specific insect vector borne disease. In a mechanical point of view, that is a diarrhea, dysentery, typhoid, and trichoma is a specific disease which is transmitted by the insects. In biological transmission, there are also as included by the 3, that is a propagative, cyclopropagative, and cyclid developmentals. Is basically as a transmission methods of the insect-borne disease already discussed in the first units. In a mosquito, that is also as Aedes, Culex. Second mosquito we studied the Culex mosquito morphology. We already discussed about the morphology of mosquito in the first lecture. Mosquito are included class Insecta. Class Insecta has a characteristic features. Its body are divided into the 3 regions. That is, we have the specifically to form by the head, thorax, and abdomen. In the Culex mosquito, identification features of the Culex: when at rest, the body exhibits hunchback, that is, the thorax makes an angle with an abdomen. Wings unspotted, buzzing noise produced by beating of wings. This type of the Culex species. We also the general features. Above these general features in morphological point of view, the Culex adult well built with shorter legs and veins on the wings are always covered with brown scales. Wings are uniform color, can fly for long, dull in color. The tip of the abdomen is always blunt. Larval rest 45 degree from the surface of the water. Eggs is brown, long and cylindrical, vertical on water surface, cemented in a raft of 300 eggs. Also clusters of the eggs. It is called a raft. Usually 3 to 4 mm long and 2 to 3 mm wide, usually 300 to 400 in number on the surface of the dirty stagnant water near human dwellings. It is bottom feeder without palmate hairs, a long respiratory siphon on 8 abdominal segments. This is a specific characteristic features or morphological view of the Culex. This is a diagrams of the Culex. We will discuss the Culex morphology. This is a Culex. Its body are divided into the head, thorax, and abdomens. This is also this morphology, general features of the mosquito: head, thorax, and abdomen. Body, head has a head appendages, thorax has a thoracic appendages, and abdomen has abdominal appendages. So the classification of the Culex mosquito in this way: this is a phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, subclass Pterygota, division Exopterygota, order Diptera, family Culecidae, genus Culex, and species is a Cornutus. Is a specifically give the genus and species to combine scientific name of this Culex. The general features of the mosquito Culex in your head regions, that is body consists of 3 parts. Out of these 3 parts, head as a specifically this head appendages are present, semi-globular in outline, pair of large compound eyes. This is a compound eyes. Needle-like structure is called a proboscis. This is a long, also has a dark pointed needle-like structure is a proboscis. Pulpi situated on either side of the proboscis. Pair of antenna or feelers, fuzzy in male, not so in specifically this. This is a pulp, antenna, and proboscis. These parts are seen in the mosquito Culex head. Also, as this is uppermost is a Anopheles Culex female. Mouth parts already studied in the first species of the mosquito. This is Culex female, shows the pulmos type of the antenna, also the mouth parts in these diagrams. Culex, we already head as a head appendages is thorax. Thorax is a large and rounded in appearance, bears pair of wings dorsally which produces buzzing a noise. 3 pair of legs ventrally in the thorax region. Abdomen is a long and narrow, composed of 10 segments. Last 2 segments are modified to form external genitalia. That is also called as a male as a male genitalia and female as female genitalia. Clasper in male, round in female. This is a specifically as a habitat of the Culex mosquito. Mainly breed in polluted stagnant water and drains. Biting rhythm: bite at a night, usually rest indoor before and after the blood meal. Sometimes they may be rest outdoor, prefer darker colors. Long distance flyers. Life cycle of this species or Culex species is also completed by the 4 stages, that is eggs, larva, pupa, and adult. We already did schematic representation in the next figure. Eggs to adult stage takes 6 to 10 days. Eggs laid vertically on water surface forming rafts. Eggs are cigar shaped. Also acts as a specific bunching step of the arrangements are seen. It is called the rafts. Complete metamorphosis means the life cycle of the Culex mosquito are 4 stages, that is eggs, larva, pupa, and adult. So timing biting of this Culex mosquito already at night, enters the houses at dusk and reaches maximum density at midnight. Peak time of biting of this type of the species of the Culex as bite to the host as well as human beings as a midnight. Site of biting, especially leg below the knee, is a specific part of the human body are also bite by the Culex species. Breeding places of the mosquito Culex is purposely breeds in dirty water collections contaminated with sewage, also as a wastage or also as a dirty waters are storing in specific dishes at this time. These mosquito are breeding place, select breeding places. Stagnant drains, cesspools, septic tanks, burrow pits in these places is selected by the Culex mosquito for the breeding. So this is a Culex breeding places to see in this is dirty waters are storing in your dishes or the in your dumpy places, also as sanitaries, sewage wastage all related from the in your villages as well as houses in this dirty water. Also specific ditches we were dammed places which is not utilized by the well or dams in this storage dumping places. Water also in a stored stagnant form. In this condition, the Kulik breeding places are seen. So in life cycle point of view, we will discuss about the in life cycle. There's a four stages. This is the eggs. Sorry, this is the adult, eggs, larva, pupa, and adult. So life cycles are completed by the four stages. That is a complete metamorphosis. We already discussed in this slides. That is a life cycle. The egg, larva, pupa. We have the detailed discussion for these slides. In life cycle point of view, eggs, small cluster like also have the wrapped like structure in this diagram. We already discussed it to the view. This is Culex larvae. We have the position to seen by the Pacific fork or also head regions. Next topic is pathogenicity, means the which type of the disease are transmitting by the Culex mosquito species. Culex is a genus of mosquitoes, several species of which serve as vector one or more important disease of birds, humans, and other animals. It transmits the filarial disease, parasites as well filarial disease. The disease they vector include arbovirus infections such as West Nile virus, Japanese encephalitis, or St. Louis encephalitis, but also filariasis. It is also called as elephantiasis and avian malaria are transmitted by the Culex mosquito to the host. Pathogenicity highly is anthropophilics. Dispersal is about 11 km strong winged mosquitoes. Average lifespan of the Culex mosquito is 21 days. The vector is mainly outdoor resting and outdoor feeding. The pathogenicity as well as disease transmitted by the Culex is Branchotian filariasis. Second is West Nile fever, viral arthritis is a specific type of the curing disease are transmitted by the Culex mosquito. So the specific type of the disease or filariasis are transmitted by the Culex mosquito. So we know about the what is mean prevention and control of the particular type of the disease. So the first is the destruction of adult mosquito by various methods. That is in specific area we are staying by the human being as well as outside. At this time the dirty places or wastage waters, sewage waters are spreading the local area at this time. Adult mosquito are controlling methods as following. First is the killing by hands of the adult mosquito. Second is the trapping. Third is a fumigation. In trapping is a net also used in fumigation. Specific type of the fumigants or smokers are used to for fumigated instrument to contaminated area and controlled by the this mosquito. Spraying of malathion, heat and other insecticides. The specific insecticides which are controlling this Culex mosquito species. Sterilization of mosquitoes and genetic control as a specific prevention and control measures are used by the this insect vectors. Destruction of larvae and pupae by following method. In adult point of view, second is the larvae or pupae are also staying or also excess numbering in particular affected area. At this time we control the specific method. First is the water storages should be always covered with lids. In your houses many more times we have used the water for the different works for the houses. At this time the specific water storaging tanks also covered with lids. Also spraying of insecticides like DDT, Gamaxine, kerosene oil, Paris green or thin layer of edible oils is also effective for the controlling the larvae or pupae of the Culex mosquito. Third is destroy the breeding places of mosquitoes. Fourth, proper sanitation around the residential area is essential. Fifth is the removal of unnecessary vegetation around the houses. Many more time in Pacific rainy season, your houses in near about the areas, the unnecessary vegetations are growing. We also crash or also cleanliness for your surrounding area of the houses. Next, prevention and control measure. Defense against mosquito bites. The mosquito can be prevented from biting by adopting various protective measures. First, the houses should be built on high grounds having good drainage. Especially in ground level, your house will be excess height to also the different kinds of wastage water or drainage also give good sanitary to storage in the specific place. Second is the sleeping quarters should be made mosquito proof. In your night times also houses close the doors and also get the wire cords. Any small insects will be not entered in houses and get effects for the humans. Next, mosquito net should be used. Fourth, application of mosquito repellents. Specific of the repellents of anti-chemicals which are used to not attract or contaminated to body parts of the host as a human being. The specific artificial or also specific chemical available repellents are in markets to use your body except for the odomas, like also oil ointment are used by the body of the human being to repellent the mosquitoes. In a third is the next prevention control measure is a biological control. In biological control, first is the rearing gambusi or guppy fish in the water reservoirs is an effective biological control as these fishes feeds on the mosquito larvae. Second, bacterial toxins kill the larvae Bacillus thuringiensis and Bacillus sphaericus are the used against mosquito. Is a specific of the animals that biological controls as a simple definition. One living organisms are controlling by the another living organisms. In this way, guppy fish as well as gambusi is also used to kill the mosquito larvae as used as a food or food feeding mechanism and to controlling the automatically as naturally it is called a biological control methods. Next is at the time of the excess severe problem of creating by the disease of the culex as well as specific of the treatments are used. In a treatment point of view, it is curable. Early stages antimony and arsenic drugs are commonly used for curing the filariasis. Recently, diethyl lacrimenergen (DEC) is the drug of choice. It is effective for adult and larvae. Antibiotics and topical creams may be helpful in reducing elephantiasis. These specific type of the treatments are used to controlling the culex mosquito are transmitting the filariasis disease. These disease are controlling by this specific type of the drugs are used. So in this way to complete by the second species of the mosquito culex. So next species of the mosquito are discussed in the next lecture. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.